there! Today I am here with another vegan lifestyle box unboxing because I love these videos. Oh, there's a feather right here. Ooh, it's a pigeon feather. Get out of here. So hello, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, I'm unboxing one of these again today. I just have to do a quick little disclaimer. Is it a disclaimer? I don't know what it is. Little thing just to say that I had not planned to do this video today because I feel like a lot of my channel is Stitch Fix, vegan kind unboxing, some other video, some other video, some other video, Stitch Fix, vegan kind unboxing, and repeat. And I didn't intend for this to be the video today, but I planned to go to a family fun day at a farm on Saturday with Ellis, my child, and some family members, and I was going to vlog it and it was going to be a great day, but then my son Ellis got hand, foot and mouth disease. It sounds awful, it's not that bad, it just doesn't look very nice and sounds like some sort of disease, and it's just a rash. But I couldn't go because obviously he's got that all over his face, it's contagious, and obviously no one else wants to pick it up. So we didn't go, didn't vlog anything, so I'm gonna do this instead. Hope you don't mind. I get these vegan kind boxes once a month. I got a subscription for Christmas or my birthday last year, and yes, I love them. They're a great way to find new snacks that are vegan, and it's also a great way just to eat because I love what you get in these boxes. Most of the time, I've had some questionable items, but most of the time there's good things in here, and because it's a lifestyle box, it's not just food. I've had shower gel, seeds, like seeds to plant things. I don't know what other types of seeds there are. Seeds! And what else have I had? Like a bamboo cutlery set, all types of things. If you're interested in getting one of these boxes, I'll leave the link down below. It's not a referral code, it's just a link. Highly recommend. You haven't got to be vegan to have one either. But anyway, let's get right into it because let's be serious, this is what we're here for. Oh, my box was carefully packed by Jarek today. I don't like looking because I like to be surprised. Hold on. Okay. Got my card. Got a lottery thingy. And bit of the good stuff, tofu halloumi, a little recipe card. I really like those recipe cards, they're like really well made. So first thing is Cornitos Nacho Crisps. Spicy tikka masala, the aroma of freshly ground spices and herbs with a taste of tandoori tikka. This magic crisp will leave you spellbound. Magic crisp. Let's see, can I open it? It's like a thing of the vegan food apparently is. No, not happening. Impossible to open. What the heck is this? Super glued shut. Oh, it says tear down. It has a thing. It says tear down. Oh. What do I want to tear down? That's really inconvenient. Bad packaging. 1 out of 10 for packaging. Here we go. We're in. Dorito. Oh, that's spicy. It does say that's spicy. Mmm. Exactly the same texture as a Dorito. Very nice. It does taste like curry, as it says. What's that? The spicy Dorito. It's a bit similar to that one. They're nice enough. I like them. Just the packaging is awful. What I do? I give these an 8 out of 10 because they are really nice. Just the packaging let you down. Next thing. Peppo's black-eyed pea popped snacks, salt and black pepper, more crisps. It's a pea. Can I open it? Yeah. Mmm. That's good. Mmm. Highly recommend those. Oh, they are good. They're made of chickpeas. It does have a chickpea aftertaste. I've mentioned this before. Chickpeas definitely have that flavour, but the seasoning on this is great. I really like black pepper flavour things, so I'm a big fan of them. I'll give them like a 9 out of 10. Just that one bit with a funny taste at the end. And I can open it though, so that's a bonus point. You can open the pack without scissors. But yeah, oh, they're nice. Right, need something sweet now. Oh, what's this? Fudge. Sea salt vegan fudge. Ooh. If you didn't know, obviously most fudge is made with milk, I believe. Don't get much. It's a bit stingy. Fudge. Fudge. Wow. Ten out of 10. Wow. Sea salt fudge. Wow. That is delicious. I will be buying this 100%. When I'm next going to buy something off the Vegan Kind website, I will be buying this. That is just delicious. 10 out of 10, 100%. Oh man, I need more. What's next in the box? That's not food, is it? No, sponges. I was touching this bit and was thinking, what on earth is that? Sponges. Zero Waste Club, biodegradable kitchen sponges ×2. So, this could be interesting because I've been on the hunt for sponges for a long time, which are actually good, because most of the sponges that I've bought, or washcloths that I've bought, that don't have plastic in them, they're usually about £6 or £7 for like 2, and I'm not paying £6 or £7 for a sponge when I can go to Sainsbury's and buy a pack of 12 for like 30p. Yes, they've got plastic in them, but I can't spend £6 on a sponge. So yeah, these are good. I'm glad I've got them. I'll have to double check the pricing of these because, like I said, I can't imagine these are going to be cheap. But they're perfect for kitchen and the bathroom. 100% biodegradable, made from wood pulp. Super absorbent, up to 10 times the weight of... Oh, super absorbent, up to 10 times of dry weight. So yeah, that's good. That's good. I'm glad you definitely use those. Obviously, I can't rate these out of 10 because they're not eating them. I could try. Not very nice though. But yeah, so Zero Waste Club is the brand there. Next thing, buttermilk plant-powered caramel nougat. Wow, this box is good. That's that there. I don't know if that's focusing on it. I don't know how this camera works. Ooh, soft nougat with a caramel centre, enrobed in plant-based chocky. Ooh, this sounds good. Do I like nougat? Nougat. Not sure if I do. Oh, I do. The top of a Mars bar. No plastic. Compostable. Oh, that is great. This is 10 out of 10 too. Wow, this is a good box. That's literally like a Mars bar without the... What is it? Is it oh, it's literally a Mars... I didn't even see the caramel properly. It's literally a Mars bar, but a different shape obviously. The Mars bar. I never really was the biggest fan of Mars bars. You know, like the big box of celebrations. Before I went vegan, the Mars bars and the Bounties, I think, would be the two things that were usually left to the end. So I've never been the biggest fan of Mars bars, unless Mars bar ice cream. Absolutely incredible. Love Mars bar ice cream. Shame they don't have vegan versions yet. Give it time. But this is great. I didn't even know this was a thing. So I've got things to add to my shopping list when I next buy things from the Vegan Kind, because these two things are definitely going to be on it. 10 out of 10. Next thing, please. Cliff Bar. Not the biggest fan of like energy bars, protein bars. Some are alright. Last box I had, was it the last box? Can't remember. One of the last boxes I had. There was an energy bar in it or a protein bar in it, and it was nice enough. It was quite. Actually, it was quite nice. Just need a bit of chocolate on it. Cliff Bars. I've had Cliff Bars in the past. They're alright. This is white chocolate macadamia nut. I think this is probably one of the better ones. Yeah, it's alright, bit dry, not my favourite. That's for Sean. No, we don't like that so much. 4 out of 10. I'd eat it if I was in a pinch. I'd eat most things if I was in a pinch. If I was hungry and this is in my bag, I'd happily eat it. I'm just saying I wouldn't choose it between a buttermilk Mars bar and a Cliff Bar energy bar. I'd always choose the unhealthy Mars bar. Average, no, not my favourite at all. What else we got? Oh, a drink, yeah. Banana flavour milkshake Rebel Kitchen. I've had these before. I think I've had a chocolate one before, and it's nice. This hasn't been in the fridge, so I'm not sure if I really want to have it warm, but I'm gonna do it, don't you worry. This shake tastes like real bananas because it's made with real bananas. Rebels don't need to fake it. Shake's made good. Banana flavoured milkshake is probably one of my favourite flavours. Yeah, it's all right. Definitely needs to be in the fridge because it's a bit lukewarm. It's not as sweet as a real milkshake because it has no refined sugar in it, and it is thinner because it's obviously not got cow's milk in it. It's okay. Maybe I'd give that a 6 out of 10. I would buy it if I was out and about, but let's have another sip. It's okay. It's a bit more like banana water than I would say banana milkshake. Yeah. 5 out of 10, 5 out of 10. It's too thin. Now I've said banana water, that's all I can really think of, and that makes me feel a bit uneasy. And I think the one thing left in here, and it is the Hip Oat Milk Chocolate. Salty pretzels. Oh. I read that as Hip Oat Milk Chocolate. I thought, well, why are there pretzels on it? And it says at the top, salty pretzels. Chocolate covered pretzels are incredible, and if you're in America, the pretzel flavoured M&Ms or pretzel covered M&Ms are probably my favourite American sweet before I went vegan, and you can't have them anymore. So if this actually has pretzels in it, I'll be impressed. Although it doesn't seem very pretzel-like to me. How can it be salted? What's the difference between salted pretzel and salted if there's no pretzel in it? Oh, they've got like the smallest bit you've ever seen. That is underwhelming. This is the thing with vegan chocolate. It's very hit and miss. This chocolate is milk chocolate. It looks like milk chocolate, but it tastes like dark chocolate. I don't mind dark chocolate. I'm okay with dark chocolate, but if it looks like milk chocolate, I want it to taste like milk chocolate. Fair? Do you not think? And the salty pretzels, I would rather they scrap this idea and just make chocolate covered pretzels as opposed to a chocolate bar with tiny flecks of pretzel in it, because realistically, I'd rather have a pretzel than a chocolate bar if I'm having a pretzel in chocolate, you know? I think that's fair. It's not my favourite. That's disappointing. The packaging is just amazing, but I have to give it like a 4, 5, maybe a 5. I'll give it a 5. I'm so disappointed because I saw pretzels. I was like, oh my god, M&M pretzels, it's going to be the same. I'm going to have my life complete. Unfortunately not. Let's just have a quick look at the book, because sometimes they say what the other options could have been. So with the pops, I could have got black pepper or barbecue flavour. I prefer black pepper, 100%. Cliff Bar, macadamia and white chocolate, or crunchy peanut butter. I think I've had the peanut butter one before, so I'm glad to try something new, even though I didn't like it very much. That was it really for that. How much are the sponges? That's my question. Easy. Zero waste sponges, pack of 2, £4. Come on. I appreciate it's better for the environment, but you're telling me that this single sponge cost me £2. £2 each for a sponge. It's just not going to happen. I'll happily use it, obviously. I'm not going to waste it, clearly. But I'm never going to buy that again. I'm not spending £4 on a sponge when I can just go to Sainsbury's and buy one for 33p. I appreciate more effort goes into making the biodegradable sponges over the plastic ones. I understand completely. But a price point of £4 is far too much money for a sponge. I don't care how good it is. It's just not going to happen. It's too much. But anyway, that's the end of the video. It's been very, very quick, very random. Like I said, apologies for not doing the video I wanted to do, but hand, foot and mouth controlled my life this weekend. If you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you want to see more content from me. I promise not everything is an unboxing. I do have other videos, I promise. And I'll see you in my next one. Goodbye.